Hey guys, today we're going to be changing out the Serpentine belt on the Honda Odyssey 2013. I've got our new one here, got a pair of gloves on, and I've got our breaker bar with a 9/16 socket. You'll notice right here, that one right there in the middle, I'm going to try and adjust the focus, there it is. That one is what you want to get the socket onto, just like this. As I twist it around, there we go, locked on. And then you'll notice whenever I push in the direction towards the interior of the vehicle, the belt actually loosens. So this is the belt tensioner. As I do that, the belt loosens and you're able to get it off of all of the other mechanisms like the alternator and there you go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the phone down and I'm going to go ahead and get this belt off, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Something else that I'll mention is it's very important to remember the orientation in which the belt proceeds around all the different instruments so that you remember how to be able to fasten the new one. So I've got the old one off. It's pretty good. This about I'd say it's probably got about 75,000 miles on it. It's definitely the original that we got with the vehicle. But I got a new one here and we're gonna go ahead and get it fastened on. Just make sure that you go through the process of the reverse process of how you removed it, and you should be good to go up until the very last step, in which you need to push up against the tensioner. See how it moves right there? And that'll make sure that your belt is nice and secure. Alright guys, so now we've got our new one on, and you just want to make sure that the belt lines up with every single one of the instruments. Looks like we've got one down here that needs to just slightly move over. There you go. And you want to make sure that all the different teeth in the belt line up with all the grooves. Yep, good to go. And that is how you change your Serpentine belt. Thanks guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and make sure you subscribe for more content.